So you open your Play Store application, then you search for Cam Scanner. So that's the second one, Cam Scanner. Let me show you. You have to install it. In this case, I have already installed it, so I will just have to click on Open. So when you open the Cam Scanner, then you locate Import Images. Click on it. Then you select the image that you want to turn into a PDF format. After clicking on the image, you click Import, top right corner. You can select multiple. Then you adjust the edges of the image. When you are done, you click Next. Good. Then you click on the mark sign. Just click on it, like the OK. It's also known as the OK sign. Then you click Share. Then you choose the first one, Share PDF. So you can choose to send it to anybody on your various social media platform, but if you want to save it to your mobile device, you locate Save to Local. Then you click on it, Save to Local. So the moment it says the file has been saved, all right, at download. So you just have to open your file manager, then you locate downloads. Bingo, here is your PDF. So the image that we just turned into a PDF format, as you can see. So now always check the file extension, which is .pdf, and that shows that it was successfully turned into a PDF format. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.